Hi, this is Stan Robinson with SHR Marketing. I'm going to be talking about LinkedIn's new internal messaging feature. It's October of 2015 now, and this is rolling out to everyone. So if you don't already have it, you soon will. You'll notice that the icon has changed up here to a messaging icon. And those of you who use a lot of messaging apps will be real familiar with the functionality. A big change is that instead of the messages in the left column being organized in terms of the time received with the most recent ones on the top, now everything is organized by individual. So you will be able to see the stream of your messages back and forth, starting with the earliest at the top and the most recent at the bottom. So that is a significant change in terms of how things are organized. Here on the left, you can see all of your messages, just messages from your connections, unread messages, in-mails, and blocked messages as well. The other thing that I will point out is when you're composing messages, you have the option to add, let's see here, you have the option to add photos, attachments, and this is new, emoticons as well. I'll also point out the fact that you have an option of selecting press enter to send, which is what a lot of us are used to, especially if you want to be able to space between lines in your message, or you can disable that, and it just means as soon as you hit the enter key, the message is going to be sent. If you want to delete a message, come over here to the left column and delete it from there. Unfortunately, there's no place from within the message for you to be able to delete it. Now, as far as managing your messages, to do that, you come to these three dots up here, and here is where you can mark your messages as unread. You can mute a conversation, for example, if you want to step away from a group discussion, forward a conversation from here and report as spam, and delete a conversation. So you can do all of those from right there. In terms of being able to view all of your invitations, when you come here, you can view pending invitations, but if you want to, for example, view the invitations that you've sent as well as pending invitations and so forth, you have to click here, the icon at the top, then your see all. That brings you to this. Now, to see further, you have to come over, and it's another click to be able to view your sent invitations as well as blocked invitations. And here you can see all of the invitations that you've sent in reverse chronological order. If you want to cancel an invitation request, for example, you can do that from here. Now, I will also point out what to do if you want to reply to an invitation without either archiving it or accepting it. In order to do that, you have to mouse over this little icon in the invitation, and you'll have the, bear with me one second, there we go, mouse over this, then mouse over this arrow, which as you see gives you the option to reply. So sometimes this is a little bit easier said than done, but this is where you can reply to a message, an invitation rather, without archiving or deleting it. One other major change that I will point out is that we no longer have the ability to blind copy people in a group message. So for example, if I wanted to send a group message to all of these people, you don't have the option as you used to in the past to select the option so people would not be able to see the other recipients. Okay, so unfortunately that is gone. So that's all I wanted to cover for today, just a brief update as far as what you can now do with the new messaging feature, and we'll keep you posted as far as new developments. Have a great day.